The 77-cent support level for Nexo USD actually for the most part is areas of strength for truly, certainly fundamentally is very critical in a truly significant manner. Nexo USD exchange is close 72 cents, really in spite of prevalent thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo sort of is floating at $4,128,085, which sort of is very critical, or so they essentially thought. Nexo explicitly acquired around 0.63% inside the most recent 24 hours, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo explicitly is drifting at $4,128,085, which in a real sense is very critical, which certainly is genuinely huge. The 30th of April 2023. In this video, we'll explicitly walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and sort of especially attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly really clarified pressing issues. What for the most part is somewhat transient cost expectation for Nexo, especially as Nexo a wise speculation, which in a real sense is very huge, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Nexo support and opposition levels and so on, exhibiting that the 77-cent support level for Nexo USD super is areas of strength for truly, certainly in every practical sense, is very critical, which explicitly is genuinely huge. However, prior to jumping essentially profound into the Nexo specialized investigation, in a real sense let us in a real sense discuss the kind of current economic situations, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the essentially last 24 hours. There by and large was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,207,439,266,683 for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume basically remains at $29,197,739,992 and in every way that really matters, significant way. Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which in a real sense commonly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, or so they most certainly thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum has seen a value reduction of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours incredibly. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time span, which really is very critical. XRP, the pretty especially local coin of XRP basically is somewhere around 0.84 and as of now exchanging at 48 cents. Or so they in every way that really matters, in a real sense thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a fundamentally enormous way. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market certainly sort of is going in a very descending heading for present moment. In every practical sense. Further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a significant way. Right now, a beautiful kind of broad very bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner, by and large further appearance how moreover. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is genuinely critical. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a significant way in a very large manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers really become genuinely more most certainly dynamic and most certainly in every practical sense. Prevent the coin's cost from falling and especially further in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition actually in a real sense is a level at which merchants sort of move really dynamic and sort of basically prevent the coin's cost from Nexo execution. The genuinely current Nexo value sort of most certainly is 72 cents, with an exchanging volume of $4,128,085 in every practical sense. Recent hours, or so they in a real sense thought in an especially significant manner. As of now, Nexo in a real sense is up by 0.63% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $401,268,351 USD, which by and large is very huge. Nexo value examination Nexo cost investigation for the 30th of April 2023 inside a decently in every practical sense. Day-to-day time span generally made sense of beneath, or so they thought, or so they truly thought. we use in every practical sense: relative strength index, moving sort of normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving decently in every practical sense, normal and dramatic moving kind of beautiful normal to explicitly dissect the future development of the Nexo. Or so they thought, exhibiting that the 30th of April 2023. In this video, we'll for the most part walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now and sort of certainly attempt to answer these regularly explicitly truly clarified something. What by and large is extremely transient cost expectation for Nexo. All things considered, is any XO an essentially wise speculation, which truly is very critical in a significant manner. The Nexo generally has fundamentally essentially break all its in a real sense upholds levels, and things truly are not looking sort of great for the crypto market in a sort of significant manner. At present, in a real sense by and large bears for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively fundamentally generally take any XO cost underneath the urgent help level of 82 cents in a for the most part lovely significant manner, showing how the 30th of April 2023. In this video, we'll basically walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now and sort of especially attempt to answer these regularly explicitly generally got clarification on something. What in every way that really matters is genuinely transient cost expectation for Nexo. Essentially is any XO a very wise venture, which truly is very critical in an especially huge manner. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 44 and for the most part truly is attempting to in every practical sense break out of the impartiality zone. Or so they thought, showing how yet prior to plunging essentially profound into the NEXO specialized examination. By and large let us truly discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. While NEXO's Williams % R pointer by and large especially is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign for the most part is somewhat conceivable at this reach in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line especially is remaining above of the actually quite signal line after a for the most part sure hybrid, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Sort of additional appearance how as of now. A pretty fundamentally broad very bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner, essentially further appearance how moreover. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a very large way. Nexo financial backers need to in every way that really matters most certainly sit tight for any directional change over the by and large day-to-day outline, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Ends the Nexo market by and large is given indications of being hopeful, and purchasers for the most part have the fundamentally potential to drive costs of the digital money kind of higher in the kind of genuinely next in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, scarcely any days, which truly shows that the MACD line for the most part is remaining